welcome back to our tutorial video series. In this one I will be going over our points and rewards system. So we will be covering how to earn points, how to redeem points, how to check the history of your points, and where you can apply that discount. To start, you're going to want to locate the rewards panel. That can be accessed by clicking on the rewards button, which at the time of this video is located at the bottom right-hand corner of the screen, right here. Once you click that, it'll open up this dialog box here, and it'll have everything that you need to manage and redeem your points. In this box, you will be able to see your balance. It'll give you an option to access the frequently asked questions by the developer team for the app, the order history, how you earn points, how to get rewards, and the link for your referral program. So to start, let's check out how you earn points. So clicking that, it'll bring you to this button here, and there will be options in here on how you can do some bonus ways to earn points as well as the default way to earn points. So the default way is to place an order, and at the time of this video, you get 1 point for every $1 spent. Another way to earn points is to verify your account after you've created it. If you click on this link, it will open up an option for you to verify your account, and once you do that, you will get points added to your account. You can follow us on Twitter or any other social media we have listed here. You can share us on social media, and you can leave a review. When you first start your account, the birthday gift will be listed up at the top. When you click on it, it'll bring you to a window that'll ask you to enter your birthday. Once you do that and hit submit, it will bring you to a confirmation screen that tells you on your birthday that you will get a 10% discount code, and that code can be used on an order that you would like to place. Another way to earn points is by our referral program. The referral program gives you rewards for inviting and sharing us with your friends. So if you click on that, it'll give you some more information. At this time, they get 10% off their first order with the link that you send them when they order through that link. And you get a $10 discount when they have made their first purchase with us. So the way you can share that with your friends is you can be on this screen and this will say copy, and you click that and it'll copy it to your clipboard. So you can paste it wherever you would like. Or you can click one of these buttons down here, which will bring you to Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, or direct to an email so you can email it to your friends. Another way you can access this code is right here at the front where it has copy, or again, the button's right here. So you don't have to go into this menu every time. So if you come back a couple days later, you have a new friend you want to share that code with, you can just do it from the front here. If you need a quick refresher on anything in here, you could click this question mark and it'll bring up the FAQ, which will give you a quick rundown on these 3 items. And of course, if you need any assistance at all, you can reach out to our customer service team, where we're always more than happy to help. So to access your history, you just click this time wheel down here. And in here, it will show you anything that has happened with your account. So when you place an order, it'll show you you've gotten the amount of your order in points. If anything needs to be refunded from the order, it'll show the deducted points. And if you need to reach out to our customer service staff to apply a discount for you, we will put a note in there explaining why we have taken out a amount of points. If the admin just needs to make a change based on an error, you'll see that note here and it'll have more detail. So when we go back to our main page here, now we can check out how we get our rewards. So in here at the time of this video, we have 4 rewards here. We have our 5% discount, free delivery, 10% off discount, and 15% off discount. Each of these at this time have their own point redemption value, and they will all be listed here. To redeem any of these rewards, as long as you have enough points, you can just click the button next to the icon you would like to redeem, like so. It'll bring up this dialog page here. Get 15% off your next purchase for 1,300 points, and you want to click yes or no. If you clicked on it by accident, like if you hit the 5% and you're like, no, I would like to do a different one, you hit X, it'll get rid of that box for you. So let's start by redeeming a 15% off discount code. So we click our box and hit yes. It gives us the confirmation here. and we just go down and we hit apply. Once this button here says applied, it should be at our checkout for us. So I'm going to add a few items to my cart and show you how that looks on the other side. So now that I have the items in my cart, I have my Get Rewards portal open here. You'll see that my 15% discount is applied, and it will show me any other discounts that are sitting in my account. So now that it's applied, we can go to our cart, which is up in the top right. Check that everything here makes sense, and you can just hit checkout. Now, in here, the discount code should be showing here for you and have the discounted amount. If your code isn't showing here for whatever reason, so I'll get rid of this, and say there was no code here, we'll just go to our cart. And once we're here, we can click on our rewards button again, go to Get Rewards, and hit this button right here next to our 15% discount code, and it will copy it for us. And then when we go back to our checkout box, we can click in the box here, right click, and click paste, and apply. And our discount is now applied. If for whatever reason, when you're going through that process, if that option does not work, please reach out to us in customer service and we will be more than happy to help you get through that. That is it for this video on how to redeem and earn your points. I will see you in the next video.